情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we got the music from Xia Yili, a song called Red Bricks, or in Kaka, 风砖条. Now, Red Bricks is actually home for her, and she left her home in pursuit of her dreams, but after a decade, she decided to return home to only realize she misses the faraway big city instead. So there's a bit of emotional conflict in her song's arrangement. Let's take a listen to 风砖条。
看远远嘅地方太深是你爱梦想离開風箏條很相愛行出自家風上去愛很黑乃比乃風箏黑真實嘅自家分分秒秒年年呀在眼高睇幾十年分分秒秒年年呀心心念念愛故鄉愛的愛風箏頭給掉愛的愛摩的摩托泡泡給山羊長的東西跟自給理想愛的愛風箏頭要掉愛要在預料聽聽愛故鄉嘅散發散發看遠遠嘅地方太深是你愛夢想離開風箏條很相愛行出自家風上去
这首歌是夏以利的《红砖头》，这个歌名代表的是家。而夏以利呢，在外打拼过了10几年后，她怀着思乡之情回家，反而内心想念着大城市。而这种情感上的冲突呢，她从音乐里营造出矛盾还有诡异的氛围哦。Wow, what an emotional song. Again, it's called Red Bricks, 风砖条, 红砖头 by 夏以利. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.